Fight school. What's going down? Classes in session. You're here with me, your coach. Guys, today we're gonna work on our drilling. We're gonna practice how to spar. I know a lot of people love to go hard in the gym. Glory sparring. I wanna destroy you. I'm preparing for a fight. Well, not all the time. In the gym, it's important to take care of your teammates, of your sparring partners. In order to do that, we gotta check down. We gotta learn to spar. We gotta learn what tempo and control is all about. We're gonna go back and forth. Guys, there's levels to this kickboxing shit. Me and Sven, my guy, we're gonna show you how to do it. Before we get intense, we're gonna go in a controlled framework, a controlled matrix of sparring. We're gonna throw predictable combos at each other with differing speeds and placements, but equaling intensities. The only thing that's going to change is where my feet go, where his feet go. As soon as he's done throwing, I'm going to throw. As soon as I'm done, he throws. We get better at tempo. We get better at taking shots and impact. We get better as fighters. The combos are as follows. After we reset, Sven's going to throw jab, jab, rear middle kick. I throw right back, right away. He's supposed to go fast. Go. Right hand, rear lead, switch kick. I throw. Then 1, 2, 3, jab, cross, hook, rear middle kick. I catch. Then I throw right away. We do it over from the top. I catch. Then he catches me. He throws a second combo. I block a little differently based on where I'm at. He's going to throw the 1, 2, 3. I stand in check. He's kind of fading back here, right? He's getting a little frustrated. But the point is, he was ready. Guys, the point isn't that we know what we're going to throw. It's to block everything. Because in a real fight, and in sparring when we go hard and we're preparing for a fight, we need to know the basics. I need to be at home at all times. When I'm done throwing my combo, I need to be right back at home, ready to catch or maybe counter. This is fighting. It's unpredictable. My eyes are always on his chest because anything can happen. But where I'm at, right here, I check, I put my foot right down. I go back to home base, and I'm ready to attack it. I'm so ready it frustrates Sven, but he's back in. We go to the legs here. He's still learning to check. But as you can see, he's getting better to where he's able to throw the 1, 2, 3 low kick and put his leg right down. He's ready for action, and we've come a long way. Helps train our eyes, train our bodies for impact, and fight school, you can get better too. Class is dismissed. Thank you guys.